Hi everyone. I'm just going to look at editing a page, okay, editing your welcome page actually. So the first thing you would have to do is sign in, and again you see here it just says sign in. There's nothing else here, but when we sign in with your first name dot last name, you'll see that Site Manager comes up, and Site Manager is where you do all your editing. Now, my Site Manager looks a little bit different because I look after the school page. So I'm going to find my actual web page. So that looks much like yours. Oops, here somewhere. Here it is. Okay, so it looks like yours. I can see it's mine because it says Darren Nichols. It's in green, which shows you that you're editing. So I'm going to, here it is. This is what I want to, this one right here, I want to edit, welcome. Now I could do a couple of things. Over here on actions, this will actually help me. I can change the name of the page if I want. Cancel that. Or here I would actually change the page, and I'll just click on this here. Now just to show you again, because I could actually go back to the home, this little home button. I could actually just click on the link here, welcome, and it takes me to the same one. Okay. So this is your welcome page. One of the things you have to be mindful of is, you see here I've said this is my 5th year. Probably not the greatest thing that I've got written there, only because it's time sensitive. Again, I've got 19 years here. If I forget to do it from year to year, I could be teaching 10 years and it says this is my 5th year. I could be teaching for 30 years and it says I've been teaching for 19 years. Things like Thanksgiving, if you write Happy Thanksgiving and it's still there in April, or Merry Christmas and it's still there in April, it doesn't look great. Here in details, this was where you would put email, phone number, and your degree. So if you've got multiple degrees or certificates, you would put them in here. This is an interesting one here, options. You'll see here I've got Mr. Nichols. That's the name of the page. But under options, this app name is called Mr. Nichols. This is unchecked, this one here. You can see I've unchecked it there. And I'll show you what happens when we check it. I like to check it, so I'm going to hit save. I'm going to come back to this home page. I don't have to go back to the home page, but if I go to view website, you'll see this blue banner here. This is what shows if I check it. If I don't check it, I don't get this blue banner here with a heading in it. So the reason I like it is, if I've got a whole bunch of writing here, I might have something else down here about homework. I might have something about class policy on tests, grading policy. These help divide up the section. Otherwise, all the writing just blends in to each other. So you could have Mr. Nichols here in blue. Underneath here, I could have grading policy, and that would be in blue, and then the writing would be under that. I'm just going to X that out. And that's a basic editing of your welcome page. Just remember, I'm just going to click here again. Whenever you do something, make sure you hit save. It will tell you when you've saved it. Okay, thank you for listening.